Good morning, everyone. So let us start with the today's topic, that is factory calendar. Okay. So I would like to know what is your understanding about factory calendar. So can anybody tell me what is your understanding on factory calendar? We have calendar in our house, right? So similarly, we have some calendars in our corporate life also. So how they are different? Can somebody tell me? Anyone?
Factory working.
Factory working day?
In the
Yeah,
factory
factory.
wise, there is a different holidays. I mean, state-wise, it is a different holidays are there. So based on that, we need to manage all the what you can say,
Mm-hmm.
uh, the material and all stuffs.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anybody else? Good attempts, Sagar. Aditya, Bunny is
We have to
Akshay, one side.
finalize.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we have to finalize the working days
Okay,
out
finalize
of.
it. Right. Suraj, okay. Team, let us understand what is the factory calendar. So, calendar, as you understand, it will tell us about which is your what is today's date, okay, and what is the tomorrow, and then day after tomorrow, and when is your weekend, and when is your week is going to start, okay. Also, a calendar talks about when there is a holiday, okay, and when there is a holiday, you are supposed to take a rest, you are supposed to take a leave, okay. So this is the functional, or this is the main purpose of the calendar. But what is the meaning by factory calendar? So if you remember, everybody in your company at the end of the December, or maybe before start of January, 2 3 days before, or once the January gets start, you get one calendar coming from your HR department, okay, where they talks about in this year what are the different days on which company is going to be having holidays, okay. Why it is like that? Because you also have your personal holiday calendar in your home, which is not exactly matching to your factory calendar. There are some holidays mentioned in your personal calendar, which are marked as a red, that is the today's holiday, but same calendar in your factory. So on same date in your factory, you might have to go and work. Okay, there are a lot of different holidays like that where you have to work, but as per your personal calendar or your home calendar, whatever you are having, there is a holiday. But as per your company policy, you don't have holiday on that day, you have to work. So there are a lot of things different in your personal calendar and factory calendar. So what is the factory calendar exactly means by? Okay, so let us try to understand. So before that, let us take example. Suppose you are working, okay, in your company, and you don't aware that day after tomorrow or after 2 3 days or coming Friday there is holiday. You are not aware, or you forget, okay, to ensure that there is a holiday. So what is going to be wrong if you are not aware that there is a holiday? What may go wrong? What are the different processes might get impacted?
The delivery times are
Mhm. Delivery time. Okay. It means that suppose you are committing to your customer that, okay, on coming Friday I'm sending 5,000 pieces, but you understand later that, oh, on Friday there is holiday, you forget it. So what happened? Friday people will not be available, transport team will not there, or your billing people will not be available, dispatch persons are not available. So many things will happen, and you finally turn into that you cannot dispatch the material. Okay, so your dispatches may get impact. Good point. What else function will get impacted if you are not aware there is a holiday? Only dispatch will impact.
system. System will also not uh,
Pardon?
calculate some checks.
Finance?
Yeah, like a system will also not check not do some checks on those days. Like, for
Mhm.
example, like MRPs or any runs, those
That's
may
true.
also impact.
So your IT department will not function the way it is supposed to function, right? Okay, because it is expected to be a holiday and you expected it should be a running day, a regular day, and you are expecting some reports, some transaction to be happen as per daily transaction, but it will turn to be a holiday and it will not give you the required result as it is given on daily basis because system is already knowing it's a holiday, but you are not aware. Okay. Okay. So IT department also get impacted. We can say like that. So sales department, IT department, any other department will have impact if there is a holiday, but department people are not aware. Will quality department will impact, production department will impact, hotel management department will impact. Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
production also impacts everything. Yeah.
Okay. Maintenance department will have an impact,
Yes, बिल्कुल.
Yes, yes.
right? So every department is going to be get impacted. How? If production people are not aware, there is on Friday, there is a holiday, and you are the production person, you plan your 100 quantity manufacturing on Friday. And suddenly you come to know, oh, there is a holiday. So your total plan is going to miss by the 100 quantity, right? Production is impacted. Quality is also going to impacted because you might not, on that day you have planned to do some quality rejection clearance and some activity, and suddenly when you know that there is a holiday, you might not have a people to do that activity, and you have to postpone that activity to the next day, and your overall planning will get collapsed. Okay, every department is going to impact. Suppose there is a material management team, okay, and they don't aware that on Friday there is a holiday, and they ask supplier to send the material on Friday itself. Supplier also send the material, and the day on Friday, on the day Thursday, you understand there is a holiday, and you people went to holiday without realization that we already have asked our supplier to send the material. The material is at your gate on the Friday morning. Security guard will not allow to material to go inside the company premises because it's holiday. There is no one to take unload the material. No one is there to do the GRN. Nobody is there to do the invoice verification. A lot of activities are there. Okay, so the truck will be hold at your gate. Then somebody will call you to the manufacturing department from vendor side. Okay, my truck is there waiting for you. You haven't mentioned that there is a holiday. Now, what should I do? Shall I bring it return back? It is not possible because we are already coming 400, 500 kilometers. Okay, so what can we do? So you have to say, okay, let me arrange something. You will ask somebody from the finance security department at least allow truck inside, let the material be inside our company premises, or if you don't have that privilege, then you can do ask vendor to request, okay, please ask your truck to stay outside the organization for one day, wait for it tomorrow morning, early morning we will allow it inside. Then there is a chaos between you and your supplier regarding who is going to pay that extra one day charges. Now do you understand? Because you are not aware that factory is closed or there is holiday, then what are the different things can happen? Like you have to pay extra charges to that truck, okay, or the transport, because of your mistake or you are not aware, system you called person to send the supplier to send the material and he did the same that you asked. Now you have to pay for it. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you remember, if you can see, all the maintenance activity are planned on holidays. Certainly on the holidays when there is a longer weekend or something like that, if Friday, Saturday, Sunday is a holiday, they will plan a big maintenance. Okay. So maintenance people always focus on when there are a holiday and they will try to capture those opportunity to take out the preventive maintenance activity, not a breakdown, preventive maintenance activity. So maintenance department is going to be very much impacted if they miss this chance, if they are not aware about when is the holiday. So I hope you understand what is the importance of holiday and how different functionalities or different department are going to use the holiday, and if they miss to use the holiday, what are the different things they can do? The planning, the scheduling, the costing part, the IT department function, the okay, or even though your sales distribution functionality or mainly maintenance department functionality. Okay. So let us understand what is this factory calendar and how it is going to be created. Okay. So overview of factory calendar. A factory calendar is a calendar that is country specific with a list of public holidays maintained via holiday calendar and the working day. So what is this? It is a list. Calendar is a country specific. Now, what here we are talking, the calendar is factory calendar is country specific. Okay. Means if you are having manufacturing plant in India and another plant in Germany and another plant in USA, so all these three plants will be have three different factory calendar. Are you getting my point? It is a country specific. Okay. Now, suppose you are having a manufacturing plant within a country, that is in India. Suppose you are having three plants. One is in Maharashtra, another in Chennai, and third is in Hyderabad. Okay. Or we can say third is in you are in West Bengal. Okay. Now there are three different locations where you are having your manufacturing plant, but country is one. So now, can you expect the factory calendar to be same or different?
It should be
Different
same.
one.
It should be different, but it is country specific. We are in a one country. It is
Should
in
be
India
same.
only. It has to be
Same.
same. Okay.
Sir, sometimes it region-wise holidays there.
Perfect. You're right. Guys, try to understand. There are regional holiday. If you are having a company where you can see within India, there are three different states. So three different states belongs to three different festivals. Okay. Take example, the way I'm saying in Maharashtra people, they will prefer to have holiday on Ganesh Utsav in July, August somewhere. Okay. The people who are in Chennai, they go for the Pongal as a holiday, but same time Maharashtra and West Bengal people will be keep working. They don't go as a Pongal as a one of the festival. Okay. Okay, it is a festival, but they will not go for a holiday on that day. And when it's a Durgashtami, okay, West Bengal people prefer to have a holidays, but not that much in Maharashtra, not that much in South India. Okay, so South Indian plant or your we can say your Chennai plant or your Maharashtra plant will be working, but your West Bengal plant will be having the holiday. So the way we are say it is going to be country specific, but it is going to be a region specific too. Okay. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now imagine
Yeah.
the factory calendar. Okay. The factory calendar helps in controlling production capacity planning, production order start date, close date, and goods issue and receipt. So everything is going to be controlled with your factory calendar. Okay. Capacity planning, production order start date, close date, goods receipt and issue. Each plant is assigned a factory calendar. Now here try to understand each plant is assigned with a factory calendar and the calendar must be activated. Okay. What is the how to activate everything we are going to learn now. Factory calendar defines under the training and event management. Okay. So factory calendar can be maintained by human resource HR. Okay. That hire and retire department or we can say HR department because they supposed to release the dates on which the factory is going to be having working day or a holiday, right? Probably HR. Sometimes plant and logistics, that is PP model, plant and maintenance department, okay, or MRP, that is done by our PP team, that is production planning. So either PP model or PM model, plant maintenance model, or HR model person, okay, or consultant supposed to create or change the factory calendar. Depends company to company. Okay. Everybody clear up till? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now we talk about factory calendar is going to be country specific or it is going to be a region specific. Okay. Now region, it does not mean we are talking about Maharashtra is one region, either one state, then Tamil Nadu is one state, okay, or Andhra Pradesh is state, or we are saying Punjab, Haryana is different state. Yes, those are the state, those are the region. But region means what? Within, suppose take example, now you are in a Pune, okay, suppose, and in Pune MIDC, there are two MIDCs, okay, one is Chakan MIDC and another is you can say Bhusri MIDC area, okay. Now, in Bhosri MIDC area, we are having, imagine a previous day when there was a Thursday is a holiday. Okay, because on Thursday there was a power cutoff. Okay, to manage the load of power, Thursday was cut off in Bosri MIDC area, but Chakan MIDC area was having Sunday as a what do we say, weekly off. Okay, so one company is having two plants. One is in Bosri, another in Chakan. These two different plants are coming in a Pune region only, but still they are having different calendars. So different weekly off. So that is the reason we can say each plant is assigned with the factory calendar. We are saying over here, it means that plant wise you can have separate factory calendar. It is not country specific. It might be country specific, it might be region specific, or it might be because of region, it might go with the plant specific also. Okay, clear? Concept is clear, overview is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us understand master data of the factory calendar, not master data, or we can say the major three. There are three parts of factory calendar. There is a public holiday, then we have holiday calendar, and then we have factory calendar. Okay, so then three steps we are going to create a factory calendar. So let me do login to system and we start doing it. So T code is SCAL. Now this is a configuration T code. Okay, SCAL is a configuration T code. Okay, through which we are going to do the configuration of a factory calendar. To start factory calendar, we have to first understand what are the public holidays. So first of all, we have to create public holiday. Now, what is mean by public holiday? In India, what are the different holidays to which we say this is the public holiday? Can somebody tell me?
Can
Which
be
is the
bank holidays,
bank
especially.
holidays? Okay. But give me the name. Suppose I say 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti.
Yeah,
That's public
yeah,
holiday.
it's public
Right.
holiday. Yeah,
15th August,
26th,
Independence Day.
15th,
Right. 26th
1st,
January. Right.
1st of May. Yeah,
1st of May, Labor Day. Everybody agree? This is called as a public holiday.
Yes, sir.
Right.
yes.
Now, there is a Diwali.
Country specific.
Suppose Diwali is that. Diwali is there. So what we can say, Diwali is also public holiday.
No, sir,
Hello.
it can be a
Yes.
Everybody understand? Suppose Eid. Eid is also called as a public holiday. Right. Then if you say we are having Christmas 25th December, that is also called as a holiday. Right. Public holiday. Are you agree? Everybody?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
They can be also a region specific, right, sir?
Yeah, but it's a public holiday.
Yeah, public holiday it is.
Okay. First of all, understand what is a public holiday. It means that the day when we are having a off, or it is the every that regional wise people are going to take off, or there is no working day. It is government approved date on which people are going to take holiday. That is called as a public holiday. Agreed? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let us understand what is a public holiday means what. Okay. Now let us create the public holidays first. So you have to define which are your public holidays. Okay. So let me create a public holiday. Now, when I try to create a public holiday, there are two things I have to consider. First is with fixed date, and there is a floating public holiday. These are the two most important things. Okay. What is a fixed date holiday means what? Fixed date holiday. The holiday which is coming every year on a same date. Can you tell me some holiday which are coming every time on the same date?
15th August.
15th August.
15th August. Fantastic. Okay. So 15th August is our Independence Day. It is going to become every year on 15th August only. It is not going to change. Okay. 26th January, 1st May, 2nd October. These are the dates are fixed every year on same date. Okay. We are going to have the holiday. Clear? Now, let us create one fixed date holiday. Suppose I will say 26th January. It is already used. Okay. It is already created somewhere. Okay. So if I try to create it, okay, I'm creating a fixed day holiday. So I'm saying on every 26th of January, it is a holiday. Okay. And is there any guarantee it is going to be every Thursday, Friday, Saturday or Sunday? We are not
No.
sure. Okay, it's not like your what do you say? Valentine Day, second week of February, Sunday of February, something like that, right? Friendship Day, Father's Day, those day or some day, or okay, this day are having some specific day also connected to that. Okay, day of the week, right? So it is not like that. It might come this year, it is coming on Saturday. Next year it come to Wednesday. We don't know. Okay, so we cannot guarantee anything. So no guarantee. Clear? Then selection criteria, we don't have to go. Region definition, it's not a region specific. It's not a Hindu, Catholic, French, Roman, nothing. It is not a region specific. It is a, what is the class of this holiday? Public holiday class. There are some classes mentioned. So yes, it is a, it's ordinary public
Yeah.
holiday. Everybody will have leave. Okay. Now, what you call to it? You call it Independence Day.
Republic Day.
Huh?
It's a Republic Day actually.
My bad, my bad. '26 is a Republic Day. Oh yes, Republic. Sorry, Republic Day. Okay, for example. Okay, now I will try to create it. Maybe this number is already occupied. So let us try to see. So see, this is already at least one holiday with the same rule. Okay, so we already have this 26th January as a rule. So for example, for a minute, we will say 20th January is our Republic Day, for example. So I will create it. So it will allow me. Yes, you're right. Go ahead. And we have created 20th January as a Republic Day. Okay. Clear, team? What we are doing? We are creating a public holiday first. Okay. We are creating a public holiday. Everybody clear? We have created one holiday, 20th January as a public holiday. Now let us create one more. Okay. Now we are going for floating public holiday. What is mean by floating public holiday?
Diwali.
Why Diwali is floating? You are right, but why?
Because Diwali comes on the basis of Marathi calendar.
Hmm.
So in English, it's not mandatory. Sorry, it's not mandatory. That is, it will become on fixed date.
Perfect. So guys, try to
In the
understand.
English
It is
calendar.
going with some different reference like Panchang or something. It is not with your English calendar. Okay. So this year, if Diwali coming in November, maybe next year it will come in a October end, and further it may be come in mid of November. Some next year or next to next year it will go in a different day. So date is going to be changed every year. So we have to mention this year on 11th of this month or November 20th is going to be a Diwali. Okay, so we can update over here again class. Okay, we can update here which what do you say? So as per which religious it is, which holiday it is that we can mention over here. Okay, and here we can mention Diwali. Okay, name Diwali 24. Okay, and we can insert that date. Clear? So public holiday as a Diwali has been created. So do you understand what are the different types of holidays we can create, either fixed date or floating date? Clear? Any question up till now? Team? Okay, so let us go back. Okay, let me show you first of all whatever we have created. Okay, we can go to display and see. Okay, so we can go here and we can see page down. We have Diwali.
For example, sir, some companies like they also give holiday. For example, if there is some holiday falling on a Sunday or a Saturday,
Mhm.
where company is officially off, So that should move to the next working day of week. So will that
We'll
be
talk about
also
that.
possible?
Okay. We'll talk about it. That is depends. Okay. If some holidays coming on Saturday, they give instead of Saturday, they give it on Monday, extended leave. That is the reason we have to create the leaves, right? That is HR job. They will
Yeah.
decide, okay, suppose this time Eid is coming on Friday and we have to give the leave to the people on Friday, so that or it is coming on Saturday where already we are having off. So let us do, people will get one leave before, 1 day before or 1 day after later that changes we can do. Okay. See here we have options to make it manually changes, right? Okay. Now we have created holidays. Okay. So there are a bunch of holidays available over here. You can see. So assume we have created all these holidays. Now what we have to create? We have to create a holiday calendar. Okay. Let us go to holiday calendar and click on create button or change button. And here we will click on create holiday calendar. So we'll give name here 15. Okay. So we name the batch number 15 holiday calendar. Okay. Now it will be activated from year 2024 to year 2025. Okay. Now here what we have to do? We have to do the assign holidays. Okay. First we have to assign holiday, whatever we have created. So ID is already used. Okay. So let me try to use some B. Okay. C5. Okay. Something like that. Okay. Because this ID is already created. Okay. Okay. Assign holidays. So we have to go and check what are the holiday we have created. We have created Diwali. Search. Yes, we have Diwali 24. This is we have created. Okay. So we will assign this. Let's take some Gudi Padwa is there. Good Friday, Gandhi Jayanti. Suppose this we have created this all. Okay, Independence Day. Okay. Easter Sunday. Okay, founder birthday 24, something like that. And we can select all and assign public holidays. So we have assigned all public holidays, right? Clear? Now we have to give valid date. These are valid in 2024 to 2025. Okay. Clear? Oh, it's not working like that. Okay. So we are mentioning these are the holidays which are going to be in this year. Clear? Any question? So what we did, we created a holiday and now we are creating holiday calendar by assigning holidays inside that calendar. Very simple. Yeah. And we'll save it. C5 is a calendar which we have created. Okay, now there are some floating holidays. Okay, so they are saying go with the given dates. Okay, whatever dates mentioned. Okay, yes, save. So we have created one calendar which is C5, that is a holiday calendar. Clear? Going back. Again, team, try to understand. First, we have defined what are the different holidays: floating holiday and fixed date holiday. Then we assign those holidays by creating. We have created one calendar. In that calendar, we assign all those types of holidays which we have created. Now we are going to create a factory calendar. Okay. We are going to create a factory calendar. So we will go on create button and we are going to use C5, save. Or we can say, let's say D5 is my factory calendar, F5. Okay. I will say batch B15 factory calendar. Okay. It is valid for year 2024 to 2025. Okay. Now assign holiday calendar. So which holiday calendar we have created? We have created C5. Okay, we are assigning that it over here. Clear? Simple steps, 3 steps are there. Okay, guys. Everybody clear up till now? Any question?
Clear, sir.
Simple. Now, here we have to give start date, that is 2024. In here, this will going to start. Now, one more thing, guys, trying to understand. Your company is going to be have a week start. Okay. Suppose the way I told you, one company is going to have Saturday, Sunday working. Okay. And Monday is their holiday. Possible. Some of the organization, okay, they might have holiday on Friday and Saturday, and Sunday is their first day. Okay. Most European country, they will prefer to have like this Saturday, Sunday holiday, and this way as a working days. Okay. In India also, we are following same. Most of the, or some of the company will have working days like this. Monday
in
to
KSA
Saturday is
or-
working. Sunday is the only one day there is a holiday. Okay. So what are your work day? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and the public holiday, which are mentioned in the holiday calendar. Except those days, your company is going to be working. Clear? Because of this week's day, you are activated over here. According to that, for this calendar, you will have working days. Suppose your company is working on having holiday on every Thursday. So week will start on Friday and it will end on Wednesday. Clear, team?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So let us assume your company is having working till every Saturday. Okay, Sunday is the only day your manufacturing company is having off. Okay, and whatever public day is there, holiday is there on that day and Sunday. This is your holiday calendar. Okay, this is your going to be a factory calendar. So what we created one idea of calendar. We given some number, year, validity, and we assign the holiday calendar. Inside the holiday calendar, we have created some holidays and assigned to that calendar, right? And then we are going to save it. Okay. Clear? Now, this is the way we can create our factory calendar. Simple, everybody. Now, what is the use of
Yes,
this
sir.
factory calendar? What we have created, but where we are going to assign? So, if you see over here, we talk factory calendar is a plant specific, each plant. So, you remember how to create a plant? SPRO. If you go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, you have enterprise structure. In that, you are having definition. In the definition, we can go for logistic and general, and here define where check plant. Remember, if you go for here,
Yes, there is a factory calendar ID.
define plant. Okay, here suppose check any plant. Now we are talking about 1000 plant, right? Plant 1000. If you go over here in plant 1000, you can see the factory calendar. Can you see? I can change this with F5 factory calendar. Okay, and now if I assign it, then whatever holidays I have assigned on those days, system will give you the error message that, oh, today is a holiday, you cannot do manufacturing. Okay, now according to that only system will behave according to holiday. So when we proceed ahead, okay, in the next sessions, you will understand whenever we use holiday calendar or any day is a holiday and you are trying to do the production order confirmation, or you are trying to do the GR or GI, system will give you a error, soft error, or we can say warning message that today is holiday, you cannot proceed on day. Okay, so those kind of warning or error message we can have because of this factory calendar, and accordingly we can use the factory calendar for the different sort of functional like production, planning, manufacturing, and everything. Okay, so this was very small topic, very easy to understand. Any question up till now?
Sir, how can we define that holiday, sir? Like the compensation
See,
holiday.
you don't have to define any holiday. First of all, this is job of your client HR department. They are going to tell you this is my holiday, and if on this day you are going to have a holiday or not, they are going to give you the calendar, and according to the calendar, you have to create the dates. So you don't have to use anything specific from your logic from your end. It has to become from your client or from your HR.
You mean like we will not create any public holidays? We will not add anything in
We
system?
will add, but for next, suppose on you are on December 24th, and you get a requirement in an Excel sheet for your HR that these are the holiday. Please ensure these holidays are available, updated in your factory calendar for 2025. So you will go and create those holiday for year 25, or you will extend the calendar. Okay. Clear, team? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But in case of inventory
Yes.
day, how can we are going to maintain our factory calendar? Because
Hmm.
all departments were shut down, and
Yes, you're
just
right.
only some people came into the factory and doing the WIP inventory.
So for
So we
that
have
day,
to
particular
maintain.
day, for particular that day, suppose you are suddenly having some blackout day or you are having some off, so immediately you can raise a ticket, okay, to your right. So you will get a ticket from your production department or any department, HR department, that tomorrow of next day you have to mention as a holiday in company. So on that particular day, you can create a new calendar. In the calendar, you can go and create a new holiday and assign that holiday to the factory calendar, holiday calendar. Clear? You can create it manually and you can assign it, or you can change the dates.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
by
sir.
raising a ticket. It's a configuration. You have to move that configuration, and it is done.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay,
What
team.
if sudden holidays, sir? Like
You can create it na by ticket. By raising ticket, you can create it. Okay. Okay, team. So let us stop over here for the day. We'll meet tomorrow same time.